A. Alpha, diver down, keep clear. B. Bravo, carrying dangerous cargo. C. Charlie, affirmative. D. Delta, keep clear, I am maneuvering with difficulty. E. Echo, altering course to starboard. F. Foxtrot, I am disabled, communicate with me. G. Golf, I want a pilot. H. Hotel, a pilot is on board. I. India, I am altering my course to port. J. Juliet, a vessel on fire, keep clear. K. Kilo, I want to communicate with you. L. Lima, stop your vessel instantly, I have something important to communicate. M. Mike, my vessel is stopped and making no way through the water. N. November, negative. O. Oscar, man overboard. P. Papa, about to sail when flown in port at sea. Fishing vessel use it mean their nets. Vessel use it to mean their nets. Are caught on an obstruction. Q. Quebec, I request free particular clearance to enter port due to no disease on board. R. Romeo, reverse course. S. Sierra, engines are going astern. T. Tango, keep clear, I am engaged in trolling. If a fishing vessel if unable ship is flying this flag, it means do not pass ahead. U. Uniform, you are heading into danger. V. Victor, I required assistance. W. Whiskey, I required medical assistance. X. X-ray, stop your intention. Y. Yankee, I am dragging anchor. Z. Zulu, I required a tag.